We will direct you through the present moment and long-haul cost expectations for Illuvium, ILV, in this piece. From how ILV varies from other digital currencies in addressing most of the local blockchain difficulties to the Illuvium cost gauge for the accompanying 10 years up to the present, we will cover everything in this video. What is Illuvium, ILV? Illuvium is one of the most current cryptograms to stir things up around town, however financial backers are energized by its true capacity. Clients get the potential chance to investigate the science fiction planet Illuvium during the play to acquire insight, where they might take part in battle with and assemble NFT creatures. As they investigate various nations and battle down beasts known as Illuvials, players expect the job of a tracker. Clients might bring in cash in different ways, for example, through beating rivals in fights and winning competition prizes. Illuvium's ongoing interaction highlights are very like those of Axie Endlessness, a famous cryptographic money game where players likewise obtain unmistakable NFT creatures. Illuvium stands separated, however, in light of its longing to make an AAA title, or a top-of-the-line, top-quality game. To help it achieve this, there are principally two parts. Players might investigate and draw in with a dazzling 3D climate in Illuvium's open-world mode. As per the white paper, for certain players, the allure of the game will venture to every part of the globe and social affair Illuvials. This might be very productive, particularly on the off chance that a player is effective in catching areas of strength for something remarkable. ILV, the Illuvium coin image, is the minds of the Illuvium crypto game. Players are compensated with this Illuvium digital currency to continue to play and are urged to do as such. The symbolics administration highlights, which let proprietors to partake in the game's improvement through the DAO, are another component empowering financial backers to hold their venture. Illuvium is additionally venturing into the DeFi world. ILV marked by financial backers can yield ranch benefits before they might be eliminated, however, these are locked for a year. Furthermore, holders will actually want to pull out SOV advanced coins in their place rapidly. These are utilized in the game and might be utilized to purchase things. It is essential to comprehend that in light of the fact that SOV isn't recorded on a blockchain and can't be removed, it's anything but a digital currency. Illuvium, ILV, Essential Investigation. Illuvium is an open-world investigation, NFT Animal Authority, and auto-battler game that will be delivered in 2022 for PC and Macintosh. It was made on the Ethereum blockchain. In a science fiction experience with a lot of designs, you might play for remunerations while you investigate the climate and accommodate your accident-landed team. Illuvium, ILV, Specialized Examination. In light of verifiable information, there is a nonpartisan standpoint at Illuvium costs in the short run. Our specialized markers foresee that Illuvium's 200-day SMA will decrease temporarily. The transient 50-day SMA for Illuvium cost is likewise expected to be negative. Well-known energy oscillator, the overall strength list, RSI, may decide if digital money is overbought, over 70, or oversold, under 30. The ILV market is in a nonpartisan situation for the present moment. Illuvium, ILV, current cost. Illuvium is presently worth $73.72. ILV has moved 1.58% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,293,158. Illuvium is presently positioned 379 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $48,428,641. Illuvium, ILV, Value Expectation 2022. Illuvium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. ILV. The ILV cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $110.89. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $103.50 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ILV is supposed to have a base worth of $88.72. Illuvium, ILV, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Illuvium ILV cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ILV will before long outperform $184.82. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ILV's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ILV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $147.86 and a typical exchanging cost of $162.65. Illuvium, ILV, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $258.75 and ILV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ILV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $236.58 and a low of $221.79 in 2024. Illuvium, ILV, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Illuvium effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the ILV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ILV will be green in 2025. The ILV is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $332.68, with a base cost of $295.72 and a typical cost of $310.51. Illuvium, ILV, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ILV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $384.44 by 2026, with a base cost of $369.65 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ILV has a most extreme value worth of $406.61. Illuvium, ILV, Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $458.36. On the off chance that ILV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $480.54. Neglecting to accumulate the help ILV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $440.